Today I'm going to review Crash Course, another channel right here on YouTube that is a great resource for students. I'm Shannon Germain, and this is Nick's the Norm. I'm doing a series of homeschool reviews to help all of you who are suddenly finding yourself homeschooling.
Oh no!
And looking for the resources to do it right. I've got more reviews coming, so I hope you'll subscribe right now. And if you have any curriculums or resources you'd like input on, please comment below, because I can usually give you some feedback since I've been doing this a long time. Today I want to talk to you about a YouTube channel called Crash Course, and they cover so many different topics. You simply need to click on their link that I put in the description below to see them all. Of course, like most homeschool resources, it's not perfect, and I wanted to go into that a little bit here, especially since it's one of the first resources I recommend to people who are starting out. Crash Course gives you literally a crash course in a whole lot of different topics. But it's important to know that these are just general overviews of subjects that really need more detail to be fully understood and appreciated. So when you watch them, keep that in mind. Because it's not like you're going to walk away from it being able to pass an AP exam or something like that. So a lot of it depends upon what grade level of the subject you are trying to tackle. For elementary school, these are fantastic. Just watching the crash course on a topic, along with doing some field trips, experiments, or extra reading, can really be a great approach. But as soon as you start getting into middle school and high school, I think you'll need a lot more detail. Of course, the big question is, where do you get the detail? And that's where it helps to have something like Time for Learning, Acellus, Calvert, Khan Academy, or even a standard textbook as part of your curriculum. But as I've said in a lot of my reviews, sometimes those curriculums can be a little overwhelming, sometimes dry,
And yes, even boring.
So after you finish something like that, it's great to go back to something like Crash Course on YouTube, because it reminds you of the big lessons that you want to walk away with, because those can sometimes get lost in all the detail. That's why I actually recommend Crash Course for all grades. Even though for the older students, you'll definitely want to just use it for a supplement if you are trying to do something like pass an AP course. Overall, I give it 5 stars because it's free and it really has a solid place in any curriculum. Check it out by clicking on the link in my description below. And I hope you'll please also click that like and subscribe button, because I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And as you can see, I definitely need your help. Thanks so much for watching.